Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to pay Metrobank credit card with Metrobank Online. At first, go to personal.metrobankdirect.com and then sign in to that account, and then you're going to select ATM card and then continue. After that, you're going to put in all of your card details and then continue, and then from there they will send you an email for the official activation link. Just click on that activation link and then you'll also get your temporary passwords and everything. After that, you need to log into your account again and then click on pay bills, just like so. After that, it's going to ask you to register a new biller, and then we're going to select credit card, and then for the biller, choose your Metrobank credit card product, and then you can see in these fields, and finally put in all of your information, continue, add them, click on register new bill, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.